Alright, what's up YouTube? So I'm doing a real quick video. Already got my bumper off. My bumper's always held on by zip ties over here. About how to do your AC condenser. It's real simple. All you need is something like this. Not even that brolic, whatever. But let me show you. First things first. Alright, all you need is a size 10 socket with a little ratchet, and you'll be good. You know. You got one bolt right here. You got one bolt behind it. That's the one that goes to the AC lines. One bolt right here. And right under my turbo thing, you have that bolt right there. So 1, 2, 3 bolts, right? And then 4. Disconnect the hose lines and everything else like that. After you take that screw out, look, you'll be able to move this thing. There's like it's a rubber thing to keep it away. I already pulled the screw out so you can see. My thing with my condenser is that my intercooler was actually pressing against it, and right back over there it broke. So got the new condenser right here, chilling. Alright, one more thing to say about the condenser. So this is what it looks like. Obviously that's this first screw that you take off from over there, and that's that one right there. And then at the bottom over here on this new one, see, that one goes right there. Feel me? This one, you can see, that's how it is right there on the back of it. Alright. That's the one that has a ratchet connected to it. Don't forget to put your AC condenser oil. And besides that, at the bottom of this has a point and a point. So once you unscrew all those things, just pull it straight up and you should be good. Alright? Alright, so one piece that was really annoying was right down over here, trying to get it out. I took this type of thing, which is a, flathead and Phillips, put it right behind it, and then turned it, and it popped open. So now I got it out. And then this one was really annoying. Took me a little longer than I thought, but there's actually a big screw that's like sticking out from it. So what I did was I took this thing, put it basically on top of the screw, and then just smacked the back of it, and the thing came out. And then I started to pry from over here, which was easier. But that's how you see. Yeah, that's how it is. Once you get those pieces out, it should be easy just to pull this little sucker out. Ugh, probably gonna have to squeeze this one. I actually have to move the headlight a little bit to get it out, but everything's just in the way. Look at this crap. Alright. Before anything, don't forget to take the rubber mounts from over here. That's one. There's one over here, and then at the bottom you have these little suckers. Okay, there's 2 of them. 2 at the bottom, 2 on the side.